I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter. This unit was made by the Associated Manufacturer Company of Waterloo, Iowa. The Amanco Washing Machine 317E with a Clothes Wringer 10 by 1 3/4 inch. The wringer has a still spiral pressure springs for longer life. This unit can be hand operated or belt powered if you have that option. It has a wooden lid and a tub with steel bands holding it together. Some say it looks like the hired girl model line of washers from Maytag. Newton, Iowa was the washing machine capital of the world. John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button